Okay, welcome back. We've got the floor pan now cut out. That's looking good. We got the remainder pieces cut out. I'm gonna grind out some of the spot welds along here. So that's looking out pretty good. And right now we're just dry fitting the floorboard, floor pan if you will. And then we'll clean up all the rust around here and cut out most of it so it's looking a lot better. And then of course we'll prime it, make sure it's good, and then we'll tack it in and we'll dry fit it, tack it in. We'll take it from there. We'll see. Got a couple repairs to make. Cut in too deep here, so we'll have to do a repair on that. Got the welder, won't take much to do that. And then cut out the pillar and the floor pan for the rust there. We'll cut that out and put some new metal in, but it's coming along pretty good. And then true up all the flanges for ready for install on the driver's side panel. So, and it's amazing when you start cutting things out, the structure of your, I don't know if you can see that, but the structure of your Jeep changes dramatically. There's a whole big pieces missing. So moving forward, looks great.